Hello guys, I have a screen recorder now, so I won't be able to record from the actual Roblox app. So, I have some news for you guys. I am no longer Aspinetra. Somebody can take that name for all I care. But I have a new name. My new name is Frosty Chino. I had to buy like $20 worth of Robux just so I can get Frosty Chino to my name, because the origin to Frosty Chino is pretty much a drink from Wendy's, even though I have a job at Wendy's, but I'm not telling you which one. So there's my avatar. It looks really creepy after the update. As soon as I seen the update, I jumped from my computer and I didn't want to see it again. But I actually got used to it. The reason why I found out is because I've subscribed to this YouTuber, but he hasn't subscribed to me. His name is Albert, also known as Flamingo. I seen the video and I was like, oh my goodness, I hope that does not, happen to me when I got on my Robux, and it did. So, I am not... I'm just so used to the 45-degree angle, okay? That 45-degree angle. Like this one. So, that's all I wanted to tell you guys, so... Bye bye.